First of all, we have to copy our Twitter account profile username. So open your Twitter or X app and log into your account. Now tap on your profile photo, and here we can see my account username. So all you have to need, memorize your username and then go to your Facebook app, go to your Facebook profile, tap on edit profile, and here scroll down all the way to the bottom, tap on edit your about info, and here we have to edit our contact info, and here we can see social link section. Tap on add social link, tap on platform, select Twitter. In this username box you have to type your Twitter account username and tap on done and tap on save, and that's it. You have successfully added your Twitter to your Facebook. Now go to your profile, reload your profile, and here under about section you will find your Twitter account.